Welcome, guys. This is Smile TV Plus. Our journey to Sapa has just begun. You know, it's going to be an amazing day. Yes, we had to come to the bus terminal point, the pickup point, around 4 a.m. And look at the time right now. This is 6 a.m. Oh my God, Vietnamese and their time. Oh, I don't know what's happening. So there comes the bus. Okay, so guys, just be with us. Let's go to Sapa. All right. Okay. I'm gonna show you actually what happens in the bus. Okay. So now this is the bus, and I believe there is something here that you have to do. Ba người, take it out. Phone. Okay, guys. As I was saying, you have to take off your shoes. Oh my God. So you see me taking off my shoes. Yeah. This is a sleeper. Semi. You have to take off your shoes and then you go through the bus. Yes. So you see the driver is ready. We put the okay. That's amazing for me. Okay. So these are my shoes and I gotta go. Okay, my people, just have a view. This is the bus. Yeah. I believe this is the conductor. Oh my goodness. There are some people already here and they're sleeping. Sapa, just wait for us. I'm gonna show you amazing videos, photos. You will definitely love it. You definitely love it. Okay, so where do I go? You see this?
No. Go here.
Is it where?
Here.
Kofi Jai Jimieno.
Make sure, baby.
You see one person? Hey, yeah. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Look at the place they gave me. This is unbelievable. Eesh. Okay. So what can we do here? We just gotta sleep. Okay. Ouch. Okay, so I have to put my things here. My bags. So let's go. This is the bus. So let's carry on. We'll show you more things as and when we get to Sapa. Let's go.